Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ramo Ramo Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Ramo Ramo Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gauranitai. Jayo Jagannatha, Jayo Baladeva, Jayo Subhadra, Jayo Sudarshana, Jayo Jagannatha, Jayo Baladeva, Jayo Subhadra, Jayo Sudarshana, Jayo Jagannatha, Baladeva, Jayo Subhadra, Jayo Jagannatha, Jayo Jagannatha, Baladeva, Jayo Subhadra, Jayo Gauranitai, Nitai, Jayo Gauranitai, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Shri Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Shri Radhe, Jayo Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Jayo Krishna, Jayo Nrsingadev, Jayo Nrsingadev, Nrsingadev, Jayo Nrsingadev, Jayo Nrsingadev, Jayo Nrsingadev, Nrsingadev, Jayo Nrsingadev, Jayo Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Shitanath Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
I want everybody to unmute themselves and say a big Hari Bol and a loud Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Ram
Ram Ram, Hare.
Hare.
One more time. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare
Hare Ram,
Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
last time. Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Shila Prabhupada
की
की,
जय,
श्री गौर निताई की, वृंदावन
जय,
धाम की, मायापुर धाम
जय,
की, समस्त
जय,
भक्त वृंद की जय.
जय.
All glorious to assemble devotees.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. All glorious to assemble devotees. Hare Krishna. All glorious to assemble devotees. Hare Krishna. All glories, all glories, all glories to Shri Guru and Gauranga. Gaur Premanande.
Hari Hari Bol. Thank you, Ishan Prabhu, for the melodious kirtan. So enthusiastically you have done. Thank you so much. We really appreciate. So now let us start with Mangalacharan. Hare Krishna, everybody. Thank you for joining. And
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat Pranam. Thank you so much for joining and welcome to the session. So it is today the second session of Gurukul classes. So I have posted the mantras also. If anybody has seen in the group and practice, then we can repeat. Okay. So those kids and those devotees who are not familiar, this is our founder Acharya. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. So we'll now recite his pranam mantra. You can repeat after me and you can also practice them at home. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krish Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pasha Desh Tarine. Vidit Prabhu, can you repeat this Prabhupada's mantra?
Yes, Mataji.
Thank
Namo
you,
Om
thank
Vishnu
you.
Padaya. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namale Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschat Deshatarine.
Thank you, thank you. So you will repeat every mantra after me. So now let's move to the Panch Tattva mantra. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advait Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. So Gaur is Krishna and Nitai is Balram, and these are the Panch Tattva. So this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is Nityanand Prabhu, this is Advait Acharya, this is Gadadhar Pandit, and this is Shrivas Pandit. So these are known as Panch Tattva. So they are very auspicious and we recite them before chanting also. So let us do it again. Vidit Prabhu, can you repeat the Panch Tattva mantra?
Yes, Mataji. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advait Gadadhara Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Thank you. Panch Tattva ki jai. Okay, now this is Krishna Pranam mantra. Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deen Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kant Namastute. Repeat
हे
after me.
कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत श्री राधा कांत नमोस्तुते.
Shri Krishna ki jai. So this is the beautiful deity of our Madhav from Mayapur. So these are beautiful Radha Madhav deities. Radha Madhav ki jai. So this is the Radha Rani's Pranam mantra. Tapt Kanchan Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishbhanu Sute Devi Panmami Hari Priye. Srimati Radha Rani ki jai.
तप्त कांचन गौरांगी श्री राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय.
Okay, and now we will chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra thrice. So first I will recite, then Vidit Prabhu, and then Ishan Prabhu can volunteer. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.
Okay, anybody else wants to volunteer?
Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Ram, Hare Hare.
What's your name? You chanted so nicely.
Hare.
I can't hear you. What's your name?
Arya.
Arre. Okay. Well done, Arre. So nice of
But
you to
why?
chant nicely.
Why?
Okay. So now, before starting, so let's do a small activity. So I'm going to tell my name and also which kind of any sport or game I like to play. For example, my name is Nishtha Bhakti and I love to play badminton. So anybody wants to share with us which sport or which game they like, whether it is indoor, it is outdoor, you play with your family, you play with your friends, you play with your classmates, they are most welcome to share. So we start with Vidit Prabhu. Yes, Vidit Prabhu.
Hare Krishna everyone, my name is Vidit and the game I like is chess or Shatranj in Hindi.
Jai. Hari Bol. Intelligent boy.
Other parts.
Arre, yes, Arre Prabhu, you want to volunteer? Yes, welcome.
Chalo, tell your name.
Are
We can't see you. Where is your video? I can't see you. Like anybody else can see Arre? Oh, now we can see you. Oh, you are in such a beautiful blue. And you have Jagannath deities, so beautiful deities, big Jagannath deities.
Pehle Hare Krishna bolo.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Now tell.
Welcome to the class.
My name is Are.
Yes.
What game you like?
That is
Just say the word. Just say
Which
volleyball.
game you like to play?
I like to play the with like this.
Don't describe. Just tell the game. What is the
You
name?
can describe also. No worries. We are here ready to hear you.
I don't know what is that game. Hit that ball, pass it to the
With your hand. Volleyball.
Oh, it's volleyball.
no, like
Yeah, with your hands. Yeah.
Okay, you love to play volleyball. So you are a strong boy. Now we all will play together tomorrow in the temple.
I don't
I'll
know
get the ball for you.
what. So I can just show you.
Okay, sure.
Okay, you can show to us. And we can see have darshan of your beautiful deities. Jai Jagannath, Jai Baldev, Jai Subhadra, Jai Sudarshana, Shri Kshetra Dham ki Jai. So beautiful deities, Mataji, and you have decorated them so beautifully.
Thank you.
The
Thank you.
beautiful dress and fresh garlands.
This is a picture, Mataji.
Oh, this is a
I-
picture. Okay.
Yeah, it is the
Okay.
background picture. Yeah. I
Okay.
think I took it from the mandir. I've taken it.
Mataji,
This is a picture of our temple deities. Jagannath,
Oh,
Baldev,
okay.
Subhadra,
So we
yes.
have these
Yeah.
big deities. Okay, I've never seen them.
It's like at the time of Rath Yatra I took.
Rath Yatra. Okay, okay.
La-
So
Last
beautiful.
year Yatra picture. Last
Yes.
year's
Okay, okay. So this will be my first time to
Okay.
attend this beautiful Rath Yatra. Beautiful deities.
It will take time, Mataji. You can continue. It's
Okay.
just
Anybody else wants to volunteer? Your
Yes,
name?
my
Yes.
name is Ishan.
Yes.
Hari Bol, everybody.
Hari Bol. Welcome to the
So,
class.
thank you so much, Mataji. My favorite activity is swimming, and sometimes I like to do badminton as well. Yeah. Big
Jai.
Hari Bol.
Hari
Jai.
Bol. Good. Yes, Manar Prabhu wants to volunteer.
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna,
Shan.
Mataji. Actually, Nimai speaking. Hare
Okay.
Krishna, everyone. My name is Nimai, and my favorite sport is badminton.
Oh, so we can play together. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Animai Prabhu, for sharing and joining to the class.
Nimai Prabhu, Hare Krishna. You and I live
Hare-
very nearby. We should play badminton now.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, for sure.
Jai. So we can make friends in the class. Jai.
Let's
And
ask this cute little Mataji whose name is iPad. Hare Krishna. She's smiling. Hare Krishna, what's your name?
Hare Krishna. Welcome to the class. You want to speak Beta, you want to speak? Anything? You want to share your name with us?
Her name is Glory.
Glory, Jay. All glories to you. All glories to you. Welcome to the class. Welcome to the Hare Krishna glorious movement.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And which game you like to play?
What game you like to play?
Any
Roller
sport.
skating. Roller
Oh, roller skating. Yeah. So it is the right time to do. Summertime. Haribol. So we'll be doing it
Haribol.
together now. Welcome to the class, Glory. Thank you so much for joining. Okay.
Thank
Anybody else wants to share? Anybody else? Priyanka, yes. Welcome.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare
My name is
Krishna.
Priyanka, and my favorite indoor activity is dancing. I like dancing, outdoor, indoor.
Oh, Jay. So now you will dance for Radha Krishna at Vrindavan temple. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Welcome. You are at the right place, right moment.
Thank
Chanting,
you.
dancing, and feasting. Oh,
Yay.
okay. Anybody else wants to share? Navita, Mahika? Anybody else? Manju? Anybody else? Silky Mataji? Anybody else wants to share?
Randeep Prabhu wants to share.
Randeep, Buddy?
Hare Krishna Mataji, my name is Randeep and my favorite sport is cricket.
Why can't we see you, Randeep Prabhu? Randeep Prabhu, I can't see you.
Hare
Please
Krishna,
open your
Mataji.
video. Yes, Hare Krishna. Welcome, Silky Mataji.
My my favorite game is like we love to play before, not now, but we love to play badminton.
Oh, so we have so many badminton players. We all can meet and play tomorrow after the Sunday Love
Yes.
Feast.
I think
Yes,
we need
yes.
to make a team.
Yes.
So tomorrow is the day when we all can
Yes.
meet after Sunday Love Feast and we can
That
play
would-
for about an hour or so.
Yeah, that would be wonderful.
Good. Thank you, Randeep Prabhu, for showing your lotus face. Anybody else wants to volunteer? So we are going to start with our story, sweet story today. So last time, anybody can share which story we did? Till the time I start with today's story.
Machi, it was the story of Kheer Chor Gopinath, that how he stole the kheer for Madhvendra Puri.
Sheila Madhvendra Puri. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So why do we call Sheila Madhvendra Puri? Why can't we just say his name?
244,000.
Vidit Prabhu? Why can't we just say directly Madhvendra Puri?
Machi,
Why do you
because
have to
he's
say
a
Sheila?
Machi, because he's a great devotee of Lord, and he's not like
Yes.
one of us who can see them.
Yes, he's a great devotee of Lord, and we should not take names of devotees. And he's an acharya, so we should not take names of acharyas like that. We should always address them with a suffix, with a word of honor. Okay? Just a moment, let me. Give me a minute, just a second. Till that, Priyanka, can you chant for 2 minutes? Let me
Sure.
this one. Just a minute.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you so much.
Hari Bol.
Okay. So we start a very sweet story today, and as you all know, today's the topic is to be kind. So we start with the blessings of our founder Acharya, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. So Srila Prabhupada at the age of 70 went to the West. He went to US and he started this movement in the year 1966. And as you can see in the picture that he's distributing Krishna Prasad, he's distributing cookies, he's distributing sweets to the little kids in US. Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. So we would like to appreciate the beautiful efforts of our Nitai Priya team soldier, Jitu Mataji, Khushbu Mataji, for making such beautiful slides for us. So we have their daughters, Navita and Mahika, in the group. Thank you so much. So let us chant once for their spiritual advancement. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Okay, so these are the beautiful deities of Mayapur, ISKCON, which is in Bengal, India. And these are Radha, Madhav, and these are the 8 prominent, 4 here and 4 this side. These are the total 8 prominent friends of Srimati Radha Rani. So these are called Radha, Madhav and Asht Sakhiya. Asht means 8. So these are the 8 prominent friends of Radharani, and you can see as Madhav is decorated with beautiful sandalwood pulp, which is called Chandan. So last time we told you the beautiful story of Chandan Yatra, how Gopinath asked Madhvendra Puri to apply Chandan, sandalwood pulp, on his body to make his body cool during the summertime in India. So these are the beautiful deities of Radha, Madhav, Asht Sakhiya. Shri Radha, Madhav, Asht Sakhiya Ki Jai. Okay, and these are the beautiful deities of Panch Tattva. So we recite Panch Tattva mantra before starting or before chanting. So let us chant once more. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advait Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay. So now let us start with our slides, with our story. It is a very short story, but very, very important lessons for all of us. So okay, Khushbu Mataji wants to volunteer, want to say something? Okay. So welcome Khushbu Mataji. Thank you for making beautiful slides for us. Okay. So once there was a king named Dilip. So you can see in the picture, this is a great king, Indian king, and he has he's sitting on a big throne. He has a very big palace, and he has a very big personality. Like he's very smart in his look. He's in his proper attire of a king. He has a big crown. He has big mustaches, and he's sitting very strongly on his royal throne. His name is Dilip. So please hear the story attentively, watch all the slides very carefully. We are going to have a very rapid fire quiz after the story. So he belonged to Raghu dynasty. So what is Raghu dynasty? Raghu means he belonged to the dynasty, to the family of Lord Ram. So we all know about Lord Ram. So he belonged to the dynasty of Lord Ram. So once he visited Indra. So at that time, they used to have such kind of airplanes in which you could travel to another planets. Like in these days, we are using air flights to move to other places. Like to go to India, I have to catch a flight from Canada to India. Or if I need to go to US, I need to catch a flight. Now, but in those days, they had special kind of airplanes which on which they could travel easily. So he went to the planet of heaven, which is above our planet Earth. And he went to the planet of heaven to meet the king of heaven, who is known as Indra. So when he was coming back on his way, when he was going back to his palace, then he saw a very beautiful cow. She was shining very beautifully. She was white in color and she was very beautiful. She had the beautiful structure and she had the full nice grown body of a cow, and she was decorated beautifully with lot of jewels. She was shining very brightly, and she was decorated with all kinds of beautiful silken clothes and lots of ornaments. So when King Dilip was going back to his palace, then he tried to ignore the cow. He did not offer his obeisances. Now cow is very respectable. Now it is considered like she is considered to be our mother, and we should offer her pranams. So it is very important aspect of an etiquette. Whenever you see a cow, we should offer pranams because she's our mother. That is why we call her mother cow. And cow, they know cow is very, very special because she's very powerful. She is a wish fulfilling cow. Like if you want to buy, like we have in the class, Himanshu Prabhu, if you want the latest Lego toy from the cow, Kamdhenu cow, you just go to her and say, "Oh, my dear mother, I offer you my pranams. Please give me a Lego toy." So she will, at that same moment, instantly, immediately, she will get a Lego toy for you. Isn't it great? So she is a wish fulfilling cow. Like I want an iPhone 15 from the cow. So I will just go to the cow, offer my pranams to her and say, "My dear cow, I want an iPhone 15 right now." So she will just supply to me iPhone 15. And if we have Ishan Prabhu and he wants to eat a pizza right now or an ice cream, and he goes to the Kamdhenu cow and asks for an ice cream, so the cow will supply ice cream to him right now. So how fortunate we are to have darshan of this kind of cow. But the king was in hurry, so he did not offer his respects to cow in any way and ignored the cow. So the cow was very angry and he cursed the king that you would not get a son until you serve a cow. Okay? Vidit Prabhu, is it clear?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Glory, are you able to get the story? Understand the story? Okay. No, you are not able to understand? Okay, you can just watch the slides. You will be able to understand. Okay. So the king, after many years passed, like he was asking the Lord for baby continuously, but then he could not get a baby. So he was very sad. So what did he do? That he went to his guru for asking about the solution to his problem, because he was not getting a baby. So what he did, he went to the guru, and guru meditated for some time, and then because he was very powerful guru, he could tell Dilip that it is because he has not shown respect to the cow, and Kamdenu cow has cursed him, so he will not have a baby until he serve a cow again. Okay. So this is very important. Whenever we have a problem, our troubleshooter, our problem solver should be GSS. Vidit Prabhu, speak loudly. GSS.
GSS.
Himanshu Prabhu, can you speak this formula? What is our troubleshooter? GSS. GSS. Okay. So what is GSS? Now let us know the full form of this acronym. So G means Guru, our teacher. And S means the different kinds of devotees we have in the temple. Sadhu, who can guide us properly what is right way, what is wrong way. What are the do's, what are the don'ts. So it is known as Sadhu. G means Guru, S means Sadhu, and another S means Shastra. So Shastra does not mean the story books which we have, the cartoon books which we have. Shastra means what are given by Krishna. So Krishna has given us instructions known as Gita, Bhagavad Gita. And his activities are in a book named Srimad Bhagavatam. So these are our authentic scriptures. These are our real scriptures, which are known as Shastra, which can give us, we can tell us what is right, what is wrong. Okay. So have you understood our formula, GSS? Vidit Prabhu, Randeep Prabhu, Manju, Ishan, have you understood GSS formula?
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
So I will repeat it again
Yes.
after the story. Let us continue the story. Now the guru has told him that the king Dilip is not having a baby because he was cursed by a cow. So now we got this important teaching. Now the guru, what did guru gave him the solution? Guru told him, let me mute somebody's unmute. Ishan Prabhu, can you mute? Okay. Okay, thank you. So Guru gave him another cow named Nandini and asked King Dilip, now you should take care of this cow very, very sincerely. Take well care of the cow, serve this cow, and very soon your wish of having a baby will be fulfilled. Okay. So early morning king used to get up and he used to take the cow for grazing. Then she used to comb the hair of the cow. He used to brush the cow. He used to bathe the cow. He used to milk the cow. He used to give nice food to eat for the cows. He used to make laddus for the cow. And then he used to sing various bhajans, various kirtan for the cow, for the pleasure of the cow. And you know, Krishna lives in a place. What is the name of Krishna's planet? Can anybody unmute and share with me?
Mataji, Goloka.
Goloka. Yes. Thank you so much, Vidit Prabhu. So Manar Prabhu, can you tell me what does Golok means?
It's
Anybody?
Golok. I'm not sure, Mataji.
Okay. Go and Lok. Go means cow and Lok means planet. So Krishna lives in a planet of cows. Golok. Krishna is Govind. He's Gopal. Gopal means the one who pal. Pal means protector, one who takes care of the cow. Krishna is the cowherd boy. Krishna takes care of the cows. Krishna milk the cows. Krishna sell the milk of the cows. He makes different kinds of milk products for the cows. He takes the cows for grazing in different forest of Vrindavan. So he's called Gopal. Gopal means the protector, the caretaker of the cows. And he lives in a planet of cows, which is known as Goloka. Okay, so cows are very, very dear to Krishna. If we serve the cows very nicely, we are able to please Krishna, because it is told in the scriptures that inside the belly of cows, all the millions and millions of demigods have taken shelter. They stay in the belly of the cows. So if we serve the cows, then all the demigods and Krishna are very pleased, and the society becomes very prosperous. On the other hand, Prabhupada has been telling us in all his scriptures that if we torture the cows, if we keep them in bad condition, we don't feed them, we keep them dirty, and we misbehave with them, or we slaughter them for eating meat, then it is a great heinous crime, and we are generating bad karma, and we bring so many inauspicious things in our life. We have floods, we have drought, we have tsunami, because we are killing cows for our sense gratification. We are eating them for meat. So it is a very, very bad activity. It is a bad karma, and we should not do this. We should eat plant and milk products, because cow is giving us milk. So she is our mother, and we should not kill her. Okay. So Dilip was very, very dedicated, and he followed his guru very obediently, and he served the cow very nicely. So one day when he took early morning, he took Nandini to a very beautiful garden, very beautiful forest. So he got enchanted by the beauty of the forest, and he started looking at the beautiful trees, beautiful ponds, beautiful birds. And while he was enjoying the beauty of the forest, Nandini went deep into the forest, and eventually she was lost in the forest. And King Dilip kept on searching for her, but he could not find her. As you can see in the picture, he was looking for Nandini. He kept on calling, Nandini, Nandini, where are you? Come back. It is dark now. Let us go home. But he could not see Nandini anywhere. Okay. So he was very, very tensed. He was very, very sad, because he wanted his Nandini to come back, and they should both go to the palace, and he wanted to feed Nandini and make her sleep, but he could not find her. So he was very, very tensed. And after some time, he found Nandini, but to his surprise, he saw a very big, ferocious lion or a tiger in front of her, standing in front of Nandini. And this lion was very, very angry, because he wanted to eat away Nandini right now. He was very hungry. So what did King Dilip do? Immediately, he pleaded the lion or the tiger, as you can see in the picture. He pleaded the lion, please do not kill Nandini, but instead kill me. It is my duty to protect her. Now you should know that King Dilip is a king. So it is his duty to protect all the citizens which are under his shelter. That is why he's called a king, because he has to take care of the kingdom. He has to take care of all the citizens. All the people who reside in his area are called citizens. And all the people means not even just the humans. It includes the animals as well as the birds and all the creatures who are residing. So maybe it can be elephant, it can be rabbit, it can be a parrot, it can be a crow, it can be a cat, it can be a mouse. It is the duty of the king to take care of whoever is under his shelter. For example, you all have parents. Vidit Prabhu has parents. So his mother is going to take care of him. It is her duty. Papharni Mataji's duty to take care of Vidit Prabhu. Similarly, we have Himanshu Prabhu, we have Arya Prabhu. So it is the duty of your parents, both Mama and Papa, to take care of you, to protect you. So the king Dilip was doing his duty very well. He pleaded, he begged the lion to save, to just let Nandini go, but instead eat him. And he wanted the lions, he wanted Nandini to be protected at any cost. Okay. So now the lion was very angry and he said, "O king, go and rule your kingdom. I will eat my food. Why are you giving your life for a cow?" So this lion was telling, "I want to eat only cow. You better go away." So king pleaded again and again. So what did he pleaded? He said, "I will give up my life, but will protect Nandini." The lion was convinced to see the sincerity of king protecting Nandini. So he kept on saying, "I will not go away. I will eat, I will better be eaten by you, but I will not leave Nandini to be eaten by you at any cost. You better eat me." So seeing the sincerity of King Dilip, the lion was convinced that he is a very good king and he really wants to protect the cow. So king said, now what happened was suddenly the lion disappeared. So as you can see, the lion was here standing in front of the cow Nandini and talking to the king, and suddenly the lion disappeared. And what did Nandini say? Nandini said, "My dear king, you have passed the test. I only had brought this lion to test your dedication in serving me. But now I am very pleased with your service. Now you will soon get a son." So this was actually a test, a plan of testing the sincerity, the dedication of King Dilip planned by Nandini, to see how much he can do to protect, how kind was the king. So the King Dilip, did the King Dilip pass the test or he failed the test? Who will answer? Who will answer? Anybody can unmute. Yes, Himanshu Prabhu.
He passed the test.
Yes, he passed the test. Yes, so he is the hero. He has passed the test. So we will all say, "King Dilip ki jai."
Yeah.
Okay. So now this beautiful story comes in the book of Tales of Bhagavad Gita, Tales by Gaurang Darshan Prabhu, and in which you can see the king standing in front of the cow and asking the lion to save the life of Nandini, but instead kill him. Okay. So what lesson we learned from this story? Okay, everybody has understood the story? So first of all, it is very important that we should know why King Dilip was cursed by Kamdhenu cow. Because even after seeing the cow, he did not offer respect to the cow. So it is told in Bhagavad Gita that it is the austerity of our body that whenever we see a senior, we should offer respect. Like whenever we go to the temple, we offer our pranams by bending. Have you seen, everybody? When you go to the temple, we offer our pranams by bending our body, by folding our hands, we offer our pranams to the beautiful deities of Radha Krishna, of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, and even Srinath ji in our temple, ISKCON Edmonton, and Gaur and Nitai. So we offer our pranams. And we offer our pranams to our founder Acharya, Srila Prabhupada, who was a great saint, and all other devotees, senior devotees of our temple. Whenever we see a senior, we should say namaskar, we should say Hare Krishna, we should offer our pranams by bending down, and we should say sweet words. So first of all, it is very important, immediately when you see a senior, we should offer our pranams. We should offer our respectful obeisances. When we see our parents, when we see our teacher, we should offer our pranams. Okay? So first lesson, because it is the mistake of King Dilip that he did not offer pranams to Kamdenu cow. That is why he was cursed by the cow. Okay? So first lesson we learn from this. Himanshu Prabhu, have you learned this lesson?
Yeah.
Okay. So second important, which I've told you earlier also, that when King Dilip had a problem, he went for the solution to his guru, to his teacher. So our problem shooter, our trouble shooter is, formula is, say loudly, all of you unmute, GSS.
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 Okay, so what does this acronym means? Say G for Guru. Say G for Guru.
Guru.
G
G
for
for
Guru.
Guru.
Okay. S for Sadhu.
S for Sadhu.
Okay, and now another S for Shastra.
S for Shastra.
S for Shastra.
Okay, so G means your teacher, and S means, Guru means, actually means your spiritual master, who will guide you saintly qualities and in your spiritual life. Guru means spiritual teacher. And Sadhu means senior devotees in the temple. Like we have Amrendra Prabhu, we have Amog Leela Prabhu. We have so many devotees in our temple as well. So we should ask, whenever we have problem, we should go to them. And we should consult our Shastra. We should consult our scriptures. So these Shastra are not our school books. Okay? They are not our school books. Or they are not our cartoon books. They are not our magazine books. They are not our newspapers. Shastra means books which are given by Krishna. Repeat after me. What is Shastra, Ishan Prabhu?
Books given by Krishna.
Okay, so Gita is a book which are instructions given to Arjun by Krishna. What is Gita? Bhagavad Gita. Vidit Prabhu.
Mataji, Bhagavad Gita is the instructions given by Lord Krishna to Arjuna.
Yes. Yes, thank you. And what is Srimad Bhagavatam? Srimad Bhagavatam describes the activities of Krishna. Okay, so these two books we should refer when we have any kind of problem, any kind of trouble. So this is our, like when we go, when we travel in a car, we usually switch on our GPS, which is known as global positioning system. So like in any problem, if you have any problem, you are lost on the way, then we should have this formula ready, GSS. So G is Guru, S is Sadhu, and S means Shastra. Okay? Okay. So now we move forward.
Because they're going to you this thing. That's why.
I can't hear you. Yes, Mataji, please repeat. You want to say something, iPad? Glory, you want to speak something? Or your mother?
No, sorry. She thought she'll lose her connection, but it's not.
Okay, no worries. It's okay. So now we have learned that it's very important. We have to be kind. We have to be kind to others. It's very important quality of being a good devotee of Krishna. Like whenever we see somebody in trouble, as you see, are you seeing in the pictures that this girl is carrying a basket of fruits and suddenly her 2 fruits fell off. So her friend came at once and he's helping her to pick the fruits back in her basket. So these kind of small activities which can trigger our kindness, which are very important for us to cultivate to help somebody else when somebody else is in problem. Because today somebody else is in problem, tomorrow we also can have some problem and we also need help of others. So it is very important to show kindness to others, to be compassionate to others and to put others' trouble before our comforts. Like when we are going to some place and it starts raining suddenly and we have a raincoat, we have an umbrella. So we should share with somebody else who does not have it. This shows that we have a soft heart. This shows we have kindness in our heart. And this shows that we are concerned for the feelings of others. We don't want others to be in trouble. We don't want others to have problem. We want everybody to be happy. Like you can see in this picture, this boy was fallen when he was running. So his friend is helping him and he had, as you see, he has a very big wound. It's bleeding. He's crying. He's in pain. So the other friend picked him up and he's helping him to go to a nearby doctor. Isn't it, Himanshu Prabhu? So we should help others. We should be kind. Our heart, a devotee of Krishna means that his heart is as soft as butter. Say, a devotee of Krishna means his heart is as soft as butter, because Krishna loves butter. That is why he steals butter from the houses of different gopis. He is called which chor?
Makhan Chor.
Makhan Chor. Makhan Chor Krishna ki jai.
Jai.
Okay. So we should show kindness to all according to our capacity. True compassion means to put others' trouble before one's comfort. Dilip kept cow's protection first. So Dilip was not worried that the lion would eat him, but he wanted to give protection to the cow because he was the king. Supposingly now you have $100 with you and you see a beggar, then we can at least give $1, $2 or $3 to the beggar to help him. Okay. Now we should help him according to our capacity. Now it does not mean that we become stupid and we give the entire $100 to the beggar. No, we have to keep it for ourselves also. But as a small token of kindness for helping the kid so that he can grab a burger or he can grab a sandwich and he can become happy. So we can give him $1, $2 or maximum $5. Okay. Now, supposingly if you go to your school and one day your friend forgot to get his pencil box. Now in your pencil box, you have 3 beautiful new pencils given by your mother. So what is your duty? Manju, Prabhuji, can you speak with the name Manju? What will you do?
So you can give one to the other person.
Yeah, you definitely. Thank you so much for sharing. We can share at least one pencil to your needy friend because he needs it. So this shows our kindness. This shows our compassion that we are a good devotee of Krishna. We are not selfish. So it is very important that we don't become selfish. We think of our happiness only, like this boy. So what he's doing, all the friends are watching and he is eating the entire big chocolate bar on his own. So is this a good manners? Or is this a good manner? What do you say? No, this is not a good etiquette. We should share. He should be kind enough to share it with all his friends, and sharing makes you beautiful. It makes you happy. It increases your happiness multiple times. Like this notorious man, what he's doing, he has thrown away the man in the pond and he has taken his bag, he has taken all the money. And this man is drowning, is shouting, help, help. And he has done, you know what? He's just taking away all his money, his bag, and running away. So he's a robber, he's a thief. So is this a good kind of etiquette? No, we should not do this. Or this kind of man, what he's done, he's eating such a big bundle of ice cream and all others are watching. He's taken away all their money also. He's just listening to music and is enjoying all the ice creams. So what was the appropriate behavior in this picture?
He should have shared his ice cream.
Ah, yes, and he should not have
Stolen
taken
the
their
money.
money and should not have stolen the money, and is listening to the music also alone. So he should have put on the music and he should have shared the ice cream and should have danced and enjoyed the music and have a great picnic on a very beautiful Sunday afternoon with all his friends. So this was the appropriate behavior. A devotee's heart is as soft as a butter. And he should be always be sensitive to feelings of others. What other person is thinking. He should be kind, he should be compassionate, and he should always keep feelings of others before his own comfort. He should not think of keeping just himself happy. And happiness increases when you share with others. When you become selfless, when you are selfish, you are always unhappy and you look ugly also. Okay, so this is selfless. When like this in this picture, this nice lady is giving some donations to some food to the beggar. Like in this picture, this boy is helping the other boy climb the mountain. Or you can see like while biking, this boy was fallen and so his friend immediately came running and is helping him to stand because he's crying, he's in pain. So he's helping him to stand and then they will go back together taking along with their bicycle. Okay. And this man is sharing his umbrella with the rest of the other lady and the two kids. And this boy is helping the boy go to the doctor. So these are small acts of kindness. Now, we in our temple, in our Hare Krishna movement, in our ISKCON temple, we distribute Srila Prabhupada's books to other devotees. Because in these books, Prabhupada has told us about Krishna and how to reach Krishna. Various activities of Krishna, various stories of Jagannath Ji, various stories of Gaur Nitai. So we are distributing books to other people on the road, in the marketplaces, in cinema halls, at airports, because we want them to know about Krishna. So you can see different devotees going to different places and distributing books. And they all have become very happy because they have received these beautiful books. And we also serve Krishna Prasad. We make nice satvik, we make nice bhoga, we make rajma chawal, as you can see in the picture, we make puri aloo, we offer it to Krishna and then we distribute this very sanctified, very, very yummy Krishna Prasad. All of you have gone to ISKCON temple and tasted the Sunday Love Feast, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we distribute You can see all our Guru Maharaj, they are distributing prasad to all the different kids and different places. Even at the time of COVID, they are distributing khichdi prasad, they are distributing halwa, they are distributing so many sweets all the time. So these are act of kindness, because we are devotees of Lord Krishna and we have to be compassionate to others. And it is very, very blissful act when you serve prasad and then you eat honor your prasad. Then you feel very happy. And if you just think of yourself and take a full prasad plate and eat on your own, you will not feel happiness. You feel happiness when you share it with others, because the law is it all comes back to you. Just repeat after me, Vidit Prabhu. It all comes back to you.
It all comes back to you.
So if you're distributing prasad, if you are distributing books, you are distributing happiness. So happiness will come back to you. And if you are distributing selfishness, you are just eating on your own. So selfishness only will come back to you. So what do you want? You want to become happy or you want to become sad? Tell me.
Mataji, happy.
So, so what is the law? It all comes back to you. If you spread happiness, you will get back happiness. प्यार बांटते चलो. Speak in Hindi with me. प्यार बांटते चलो.
प्यार बांटते चलो.
Spread love.
Spread love.
Okay, thank you. So when we become selfish, like this boy is eating the whole chocolate bar on his own, so we do not become, we become ugly. We are not looking beautiful at that time. In spite of the fact that we have worn the best of branded clothes, we have worn the new shoes, we have got the best toys, but we will not look beautiful. On the other hand, if we share with others, we become selfless, we look beautiful. Because it is our saintly qualities which make us beautiful. It is not, it is our behavior which make us look beautiful. It is not our clothes or it is not our shoes which make us beautiful. So Krishna loves who are selfless and who serve others. So repeat, everybody repeat twice this sentence. Krishna loves who are selfless and who serve others.
Krishna loves who are selfless and who serve others.
Krishna loves who are selfless and who serve others. Okay. So now a devotee kid is very smart. So we have to be humble, we have to be kind, but we don't have to be foolish and stupid. It does not mean that I go and stand in front of a beggar and we ask the beggar to rob us. Okay. So we have to be good devotee of Krishna, but at the same time, we have to be alert and protect ourselves if people are taking advantage of us. Okay. So in example, if Himanshu Prabhu is going and playing out with his friend named John. So if John has fallen down, Himanshu Prabhu will help him to go and get first aid. He will bring medicine for him. He will give him water, and then he will inform his parents and he will make him comfortable. Okay. But if John is beating him, is physically abusing him, and he is misbehaving him very badly, then what will Himanshu Prabhu do? He will immediately go to his elders and inform. He will inform his parents. He will communicate to his parents that Mama, Papa, John is misbehaving with me and you should take action right now. Got it? Himanshu Prabhu, Manju Prabhu, you got it? Vidit Prabhu?
Yes, Mataji.
We should not allow others to take advantage of us. We have to be kind, but we have to use our intelligence. As I am showing you in my picture, do like this. We have to be smart. We have to use our intelligence. We have to use our intelligence. A devotee is smart, he's kind, but he's not foolish and stupid. Krishan Jai Bhaje say Bada Chatur. Chatur means intelligent. He's very sharp. He's not stupid. Say, I am intelligent. Say,
I am intelligent.
I am intelligent. We will not let others to take advantage of us.
We
Okay?
will not let others to take advantage of us.
Okay. So I give you a situation. Supposingly, Vidit Prabhu, you are in your classroom and you see that your friend has come to your bag quietly and he has taken away your new pencil box. So what will be your action?
Mataji, first of all, I will ask him that if you wanted some pen or pencil, you could ask me. I would have
Yes.
given it to you. But if he still takes it and runs away, I think so I will tell the teacher.
Yes. So big round of applause, big clapping for Vidit Prabhu. So he has appropriately behaved in the right manner. His etiquette was full of saintly qualities. First of all, he very quietly, in a very polite way, he talked to his friend that why have you taken, if you want pencil or you want eraser, you want sharpener, you could have easily asked me, I am ready to give it to you. But in case he just stole away, he just ran away, taking away your pencil box, then he would immediately go and inform the authority. That means he will inform the teacher about it. So a devotee is kind, but he's not stupid. He is Ishan Prabhu. He is
Intelligent.
he is intelligent. He's smart. So Ishan Prabhu, Vidit Prabhu, Himanshu Prabhu, Vidit Prabhu, Randeep Prabhu, Manju Prabhu, you are all smart devotees of Krishna. All glories to you. Congratulations. Okay. So now this is a very important verse from Bhagavad Gita, like we have in English also. So we will read this. This is Bhagavad Gita, chapter 12. Chapter 12 and the verse is 13. Okay. So if you want, you can learn this verse also, and otherwise we can just repeat after me. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitra karun. Yes. Speak. Adveshta sarvabhutanam. Yes, Vidit Prabhu, repeat.
Adveshta sarvabhutanam
Maitra karuna evacha.
maitra karuna evacha
Nirmamo nirankara.
nirmamo nirahankarah
Sama dukha sukha shami.
sama dukkha sukha kshami.
Again, we will recite. Anybody wants to recite? Nimai Prabhu, Ishan Prabhu.
Sure,
Anybody can volunteer.
Sure.
Yes, we will repeat after Ishan Prabhu. Yes, all of us ready?
Adveshta sarvabhutanam
Adveshta sarvabhutanam. Everybody unmute Vidit Prabhu.
Maitra
Adveshta sarvabhutanam.
Maitra karuna evacha
Maitra karuna
Maitra
evacha.
Nirmamo nirahankara
Nirmamo
nirmamo
nirankara.
nirahankara
Sama dukha sukha shami.
Sama dukha
sama
sukha
dukkha sukha
shami.
kshami.
So what does adveshta means? Adveshta means the devotee of Lord Krishna is not envious. He is not jealous. So when my friend has a big car and I have a small car, then I will not be jealous because it is the mercy of Lord Krishna. So Krishna has given him big car, so what? Krishna has given me so many other things as well. I am not jealous of him. And Sarvabhutanam means towards all living entities, We should not be envious. We should not be envious of our friends, of our relatives, of anybody, of any hero, of any sports star. We should all be happy for each other. Okay? And Maitra means friendly. We should be friendly towards all. And Karuna. Karuna means, which we have learned this saintly quality today, we should be kind. So whenever we are kind to others, we are selfless. Krishna is very happy because he has written this quality of a good devotee in Bhagavad Gita. So we should be kind. And nirma means with no sense of proprietorship. We should not have this pride. It belongs to me. We should not be like this. We should not be full of pride that I am very strong. I am very rich. I am very beautiful. We should not have this kind. It belongs to me. This house is mine. This toy is mine. No, we should all say it belongs to Krishna. Okay. Nirankara. Nirankara means without any pride. And Sama means equal. We should be equal in both. Dukh means distress and happiness means in good times. We should be happy in both. We should be equal in both good and bad times. And Shami means we should always forgive others. If somebody has done anything wrong to us and he's feeling sorry, then we should forgive and be friendly with him. Okay? So these are the good qualities of a good devotee. Okay? So yeah, it is written in this translation. One who is not envious. Envious means jealous, but is a kind friend to all living entities, who does not think himself a proprietor and is free from false ego. False ego means pride, and who is equal in both happiness and distress. Distress means good or bad times. And who is tolerant, who is always satisfied. So this is the next verse. No, we have done till here. So now, such a devotee of mine is very dear to me. Okay. So all of us wants to become dear to Krishna, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So now let us do a small activity, isn't it? Are we ready, everybody?
Yes, Mataji.
So this is a kind of physical activity. Now we have heard a lot. So I am going to tell you to get a thing from your nearby place, wherever you are, in your room or in your living room. You have to just run and get the thing and show it to me. Okay. So whosoever gets the first will get the first prize. And I am going to note the name of all the kids who gets the first prize. And tomorrow you will get a gift from me in the temple. Okay. Right. So are we ready? Okay. So now your first article is everybody clear with the game?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to show it to me in the camera. Okay. Whenever I tell you 1, 2, 3, go. That means you have to just run and just grab the thing. Okay. So now first article is to get a shampoo bottle, not a conditioner. Shampoo bottle, run, get a shampoo bottle. Ishan Prabhu, you don't want to become fat? Run, go a shampoo.
It's
bottle.
upstairs.
So what? You can at least try.
Mataji done. Mataji done. Mataji done.
Oh. So
Wow.
which bottle is this? It should not be a conditioner.
Machi,
Show
it's a
us.
shampoo.
Kesh
Hair cleanser.
Kanti Rita hair cleanser. Okay, Patanjali. So first prize of shampoo goes to
Oh,
Vidit Prabhu.
Jai.
Anybody else could grab it?
No, Arya actually grab it, but
You can show it. You can still show it.
it was like I'm trying to.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm trying
Since
to.
we are playing for the first time.
Yeah.
So let
No, I'm
us.
trying to remove the background so that because it was not seen, and I was trying to do that.
Okay, no problem. The kids can take time because slowly they will get used to the activities. So
No, he got it like within reach.
Okay,
But
within the
yeah,
reach.
sorry. But now
Okay.
Vidit Prabhu got shown it first, so it's
Yes.
okay.
So Manju, what's your name, Prabhuji? You have got also a bottle of shampoo. Thank you so much, Himanshu. You got it. Thank you so much.
Wait, 8 minutes.
What's your name, Prabhu? Manju. You have written the name Manju.
That's my auntie's name. My name is Abhi.
Abhir.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You are a champion. So you're wearing a t-shirt of a champion. So now you are a smart devotee of Krishna.
Thank you.
So last time I told you a thumb rule also. Everybody can show your thumb. So what is the thumb rule of life? Everybody can say. Thumb rule of life. What's that? Vidit Prabhu, what is the thumb rule of life? Show this thumb and speak.
Always remember Krishna and never forget Krishna.
Jai.
Jai.
Always, repeat after Vidit Prabhu. Repeat Vidit Prabhu.
Always remember Krishna.
Always remember Krishna.
Krishna. Never
Always
forget
remember
Krishna.
Never forget
Krishna.
Always remember Krishna. Never forget Krishna.
Krishna.
Always remember Krishna.
Krishna.
Never forget Krishna. Always remember Krishna.
Krishna.
Never forget Krishna.
Don't forget Radharani.
Yes. Never forget Krishna and Radharani. Yes, Arya Prabhu, well done. Jay, you also got a bottle of shampoo. I really appreciate your efforts. Okay, so we have other kids as well as Advik Prabhu, Navita, Mahika. Why don't all of you play with us? We can have a small physical activity, isn't it? We have sat at this same chair for so long, isn't it? Now we should run. So now your next activity, 1, 2, 3, go, is to get a green vegetable from your fridge. Get a green raw vegetable from your fridge. Oh, Vidit Prabhu, why don't you want to grab all the...
Letters.
Okay.
I also grabbed it.
Jai, Jai. Master Chef Rasoi Raj ki Jai.
Jai.
So our Ishan Prabhu is fond of cooking, so he ran to get away the food stuff. This shows your attachment to the food stuff.
Krishna Prasad
Haribol.
ki Jai.
Jai. So yes, Abhir Prabhu, what have you got? A zucchini, is it? Is it a
Yeah.
zucchini?
Yeah.
Okay. And Arya Prabhu, you have got a
Cauliflower.
cauliflower. Okay. And Himanshu, what is that? Broccoli.
Bell pepper.
Is it a bell pepper? I can't see. Show us clearly.
Yeah, green bell pepper.
Green bell peppers. Okay, Jai. So all glories to you. So the winner of this was Ishan Prabhu. And also we will give a prize to Abhir. Okay, he got zucchini for us. Okay. Okay, well done. So next is get a Bhagavad Gita. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
There you go. I got it.
Oh, Jai. Ishan Prabhu, you have to share the prize with the kids, you know.
Yes. Let's give this prize to Arya Prabhu.
Arya Prabhu, yes. So you have, I can't see your Bhagavad Gita.
He has his kids Bhagavad Gita, Mataji. I don't give him the other one because he keeps
Okay,
playing
no
with it all
problem.
the time. But I
Okay.
have this the kids Bhagavad Gita for him.
Okay, so tomorrow when you come to the temple, we will give you a Bhagavad Gita as it is by Prabhupada. So because we will be learning verses also, so it will be helpful for you. So
Yeah,
tomorrow we
have.
will gift you. Okay.
We have Mataji.
Okay, you have also it.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have that. It's just like
Okay.
because that is little sacred, so I just don't give him to play.
No, we can read to the children. There is no
I
problem.
read it.
Absolutely.
I read him to him. I read that to him, but it's just to have
Okay, no
to
problem.
give it to
Yes.
him.
So we
I have this.
appreciate your effort. Yes, Arya Prabhu, well done. You are a smart Christian devotee. So all of us should say like this. We are smart Christian devotee. We are smart Christian devotee. Yes. You are doing it right. Arya Prabhu, yes. You are a smart Christian devotee. Okay. So now last activity is you have to get your socks other than the pair which you are wearing. No, you don't have to show your socks. You have to get a pair, new, maybe any pair from anywhere in the house. Any socks.
Mataji.
Jay. Vidit
Himanshu
Prabhu
Prabhu.
has got everything handy, you know. He's already ready with the
Mataji, I think
activity.
so. We should give it to Advik Prabhu. He has also got it.
Where is Advik Prabhu? I can't
Advik
see.
Prabhu and Himanshu Prabhu, they both got it really quick.
Okay, so Advik Prabhu, what is the color of your socks? I haven't heard from you. Let us hear your.
White and red.
Okay, Jai. All glories to Advik Prabhu and Himanshu Prabhu. So I've written your name. Tomorrow you will get your.
My name is Neil.
His name is Neil.
Yes, yeah. His dad's
Okay.
name is Neil.
Neil, okay,
Oh, sorry,
okay.
his dad's name is Himanshu. His name is Neil Sharma.
Okay, I'm sorry about it. So
Oh,
let
no
us
worries,
now
no
call
worries.
you Neil only. Neil Prabhu.
Neil Madhav.
Neil Madhav ki
Jai.
jai. Well done, Neil Prabhu and Advik. Well done. So now you everybody say, we are smart Christian devotees.
We are smart Krishna devotees.
And my heart is as soft as a
Butter.
Butter.
we are kind
We are kind.
Kind.
and compassionate.
Compassionate.
Okay. So now, can we have a quiz? Quick quiz for 5 minutes? Okay. So, one day when Dilip was coming back from heaven after visiting Indra, then what did he saw? What did he saw?
A cow.
A cow. So what kind of cow can you mention?
A beautiful cow.
Yes, a beautiful cow. Somebody else wants to add? It was very powerful cow, I told you. It had
Himanshu
lot of
Prabhu.
powers. Yes, yes.
Cow.
Neil Prabhu. Neil
The
Prabhu.
cow.
Yeah, king saw that cow.
Yeah.
What
Neil
cow
Prabhu.
was
The kind of cow, speciality of the cow which King Dilip saw. We can't hear you. Can you unmute, Neil Prabhu? Yes,
He
yes.
had gold jewelry.
Yes, you are right. She was a very beautifully decorated cow with beautiful jewels and silken clothes. And what else? She had some special powers. I told you. You want to have a Lego toy? Then what will you do?
Ask the cow. And what is
Yes.
his name? I forget his name.
No, that's Nandini.
Kamdhenu cow.
She was a
Her name
Kamdhenu cow.
was Kamdhenu cow. Vidit Prabhu, you want to elaborate with example?
Yes, Mataji. Much
Hmm.
like Kamdhenu cows are cows that fulfill our desire. Like if we pay obeisances and we offer prayers, so whatever we think, they will make our desires true.
Yes. So if, for example, you want a Lego toy, then what will what will you do?
Machi, I will serve the cow and ask for a Lego toy if I want that.
Okay. So first of all, you will go to the cow and you will do what?
I will do save of the cow. I will offer my obeisances to the cow.
You will offer your pranams to the cow and then you will ask from her dear mother, because why is cow called your mother? Who will answer? Why is cow called our mother? Your mother is sitting next to you, right? Arya Prabhu. Then why is cow called your mother? Think. Anybody? Abhir Prabhu, Navita, Mahika. So many kids we have. Buddy.
Neil Prabhu wants to say something.
Okay, sure. Yes, Neil Prabhu.
Because she gives us milk.
Yes, because she gives us milk. She takes care of us like a mother, so she's our mother. Yes, right. Well done. Okay, Arya Prabhu, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, say now say what do we do to the cow
Take care of
and how do we take care of
Yes, Krishna takes care of the cows.
it? No, cow gives us milk.
Yeah.
Yes, cow gives you milk. Can you drink that milk? Can you become big boy?
Yes, brush the fur. Yes.
Okay, so what is the name of Krishna? Because he takes care of the cows, what is his name? Yes, Neel Prabhu.
Gopal.
Gopal. Go means cow and Pal means one who takes care of the cows, who is the protector of the cows. Okay. Okay. So when the King Dilip saw Kamdini cow, so was he very mannerful to the cow? Was he offering his respects to the cow? Say yes or no. You can just say yes or you can say no. Did he offer his pranams to the cow, Kamdhenu cow? No. No. So was it a right kind of conduct or a bad? You can say right for this and bad for this. So it was a bad kind of conduct. Okay. And so the cow cursed him. So what kind of curse did Kamdhenu cow give to King Dilip?
Until you respect the cow, you can't get a son.
Yes, well done, Abir Prabhu. You are listening so attentively that until you serve a cow, you will not get a son. So for many years, King Dilip could not get a baby, and then he had a problem. So he went to his guru, and the guru told him that you have to serve a cow. So the lesson we have learned from this is that whenever we have a problem, so what is our problem shooter? What formula we have to follow? What is our troubleshooter? Whenever you are facing a problem, which formula you have to apply? Which acronym which we learned? Our troubleshooter, our problem shooter is?
Cow. GSS. Guru
GSS.
Shastra and
Yes,
Sadhu.
Abir Prabhu, I am going to send this slide in the group also. You have to revise it. Our problem shooter is GSS. Speak loudly.
GSS.
So what does G stands for?
Guru.
G?
Guru.
Guru. Yes. S stands for
Sadhu.
Sadhu. And S stands for
Shastra.
So who is your guru? Is guru your the teacher who gives you tuition?
Yeah. No.
Which guru we are talking about?
The guru.
Mataji, we are talking about a spiritual master.
Yes, we are talking about spiritual teacher who is going to guide us in our spiritual life, who is going to connect us to Krishna is our spiritual teacher. Because we are going to different grades. Now I am in first grade. Now next year I will be in second grade. So I will have so many teachers at school, but they will not be my guru. Our guru is, now we are talking about for our troubleshooter. Obviously, we have to give respects to our teachers at school. We have to offer our pranams. We have to say good morning, ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. We have to be very respectful towards our school teachers. But whenever we have a problem, we should go to our GSS. That means we have to go to our guru, spiritual teacher. And another S means sadhu. So who is sadhu? Who is sadhu?
A devotee.
Senior
Mataji,
devotees. Senior devotees at ISKCON. It can be a Moglila Prabhu, it can be Rukmani Krishna Prabhu, it can be Karunachand Prabhu, Amrendra Prabhu. These are sadhus at ISKCON, our saints. Okay. And next is Shastra. So Ishan Prabhu, what is Shastra?
Books of Krishna.
Books which are given by Krishna. So what are the two Shastra
Like Bhagavad
related to Krishna?
First of all, it's Bhagavad Gita, which was instructions spoken by Krishna to Arjuna. And the
Yes.
second one is Srimad Bhagavatam, which is about Krishna's pastimes.
Yes, Krishna's pastimes, Krishna's activities, how he
Activities.
grazed the cows, how he came in different incarnations as Lord Ram, as Lord Buddha. So, and even Chaitanya Charitamrita. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Vidit Prabhu. Okay, so now we move forward. Now, the Guru of King Dilip gave him a cow to serve. What was the name of that cow? Fast, come on, 1, 2, 3. Arya Prabhu.
Nandini.
What is the name of the cow?
Yes, yes. Nandini. Nandini was the cow. So one day when King Dilip took Nandini for grazing in the cow, grazing Nandini in the forest, the cow was lost. So he kept on searching for the cow, and when he found the cow, he saw a very, very big, ferocious animal in front of the cow. So who was that ferocious animal?
A tiger.
Yes. A tiger or maybe a lion. You can say a lion also. A tiger, yes. So what did the tiger say?
He says, I want to eat your cow.
I want to eat the cow. And what did the King Dilip do?
He said, you can eat me instead of the cow.
Yeah, so he was very kind. He kept cow's protection before his own comfort, before his own happiness. So this is the duty of a king, to always take care of the citizens under him. Citizens are not just people, they are also animals, birds, and any other living entity which are under your shelter. Okay. So we have learned this very important lesson today, that we have to be selfish, isn't it? We all have to be selfish. We have to think of our own comfort, own happiness, isn't it, Abir Prabhu?
Yes.
We have to be selfish, right? If I have two pens, then I should not give one pen to a needy friend. I should both keep it with myself, because these
No,
are
you should
my
give it.
pens.
You should give it.
So I have to become selfless. I have to become
Selfless.
Selfless.
because Krishna is very pleased when we share with others. Abhir Prabhu, keep this book aside, listen to us. After that, you can read the book. Okay. So we have to become selfless. And when we become selfless, we become beautiful also. And the law is, it all comes back to
us.
If you share happiness, you will get back happiness. If you share selfishness, you will also get selfishness. So what do you want? You want to become happy, or you want to become sad?
Happy.
Happy.
Happy. For this, you have to share. You have to become selfless. Okay. So what is the logo? The logo is, we have to spread love. Pyar baante chalo.
Pyar baante chalo.
But a devotee, what is the warning? A devotee is very kind, but he's not stupid.
Foolish.
He is not foolish. He's not stupid. He's very
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Put your finger like this. He's very
Intelligent.
intelligent. He's used his mind. For example, like I give you a situation. Okay. So now you are going to a marketplace and you see a beggar. So will you go and say, I have a bag full of money to him? Will you go to the beggar and say, I have a bag full of money, please take this full bag?
No, Mataji.
No, if you are going to the marketplace, to the bank, and you are going to deposit your money in Scotia Bank, then you are not going to share all your money, because you have earned this money with lot of hard work, going to your job every day. You will not give the entire bag of money to the beggar. You will just give him a $1 or $2, so that he can grab a small burger or maybe a small sandwich, and then he can be satisfied, and he can be satisfied because of his hunger. Okay, he can fill his belly, he can be very happy, but we have to use our intelligence. Okay, we should not let others take advantage of our soft heart. A Krishna's devotee has a heart like a
Butter.
Butter.
He should be kind, but at the same time he should be
Intelligent.
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 Krishna Jay Bhaje Se Bada Chatur.
Chatur.
Krishna Jay Bhaje Se Bada Chatur.
Chatur.
Whoever chants the holy name of Krishna is very
Clever.
intelligent, is very
Intelligent and clever. Intelligent.
Intelligent.
So let us become
Intelligent.
smart
Intelligent.
devotees of Krishna. Smart devotees of Krishna.
Krishna.
We are smart devotees of Krishna. We are not stupid. We are kind. We are selfless. We are smart devotees of Krishna. We are not selfish. Okay? Chalo, thank you so much. So we will meet next time. And I am posting various kinds of videos in the group. Are you watching it? Abhir Prabhu, Arya, Neil Prabhu. I posted different Chandan Yatra darshans of various ISKCON temples in the group. WhatsApp group. So if you haven't watched, please watch them. So I will be posting different stories of kindness in the group also. Please watch them, and next time we are going to ask you the lesson you have learned or to recite the story in your own language. Okay, small stories. Where we use
My
where you
first
can
time in
see
this concept.
in the WhatsApp group, Gurukul WhatsApp group. Are you in the group? Maybe we have added your father's or your mother's number in the group. So please watch those movies, very small 1 or 2 minute stories, and then we will ask you to narrate them in your own language in the next class and what lesson you have learned. Okay, so till next time, please be soft as butter and help whatever way in your own capacity to others, and be kind to them, be selfless, spread happiness. Pyar baante chalo. Speak loudly.
Pyar baante
Pyar
chalo.
baante chalo.
And it all comes back to you. What if you are spreading love, you will get love.
Love.
Okay, so be smart devotee of
Smart
Krishna.
devotees. Krishna.
Okay, don't be stupid, don't be foolish, be smart devotees
More
of
of
Krishna. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend. See you
Hare
tomorrow. We'll give you Krishna's prizes tomorrow in the temple. Happy Kadashi for tomorrow. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram
Hare
Ram, Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. See you tomorrow. See you next week. Okay, next Saturday. Bye. Hari Bol. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Thank you so much. Hari Bol.